Hi, it's Fred. I'm in an open house. I'm just sitting here waiting for people. And I wanted to talk about open houses. There's good news and there's bad news, but the idea of putting signs out all over the place and just begging anyone to come into the house is absolutely ridiculous. We don't use signs, we don't put balloons up, we don't do anything to tell about the open house except to put it on the online system because those are where the real buyers are. So instead of saying, I had 100 people come through, I could say, I had 10 people who were interested. And isn't it all about selling the house and not showing the house? We don't really care about finding new buyers. That's what the other agents do by having signs out, balloons, people flipping those signs, and getting tons of people. They're looking for buyers. They're using your listing to find buyers. Silly. Are they going to be qualified? Who knows?